Government of Manipur and Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0. Union Minister of Jal Shakti C.R. Patil, Chief Minister Yumnam Kheemchand, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering Losi Diko, Secretary Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Government of India Ashok K.K. Meena, and other senior officials attended the MOU signing ceremony, which was held in New Delhi today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Kheemchand maintained that Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 represents a strategic restructuring of the National Rural Drinking Water Program. Its main focus has shifted from quick recreation of infrastructure to ensuring long-term and sustainable service delivery. Further, Chief Minister Kheemchand also highlighted that the key features of JJM 2.0 include assured service delivery, the Sujalam Bharat Digital Framework, clear operation and maintenance policies, measures for source sustainability, reform-linked funding and community ownership. While lauding Ministry of Jal Shakti for its efforts in preparing the guidelines of the mission, Chief Minister Kheemchand asserted that Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 is not just a government scheme, but a way to achieve the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047. Further reaffirming state government's commitment, the Chief Minister assured full support for the effective implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0 in Manipur. He said the state government would work to achieve the objectives of the mission in both letter and spirit.